يا أيها الذين آمنوا استعينوا بالصبر والصلاة إن الله مع الصابرين.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Fathers and mothers, do you still want your child to be successful in education? Do you want him to achieve his aim? Do you want him to go back on the track? Subhanallah. If truly you want that, another tip you can use to motivate him is you create a reward system. Yes, you create a reward system. You know, this is Ramadan. I remember then when we were young with my siblings, our mother used to create, our mother was used to reward system. She would say, Subhanallah, when Ramadan is coming, we are about a few days to Ramadan, she would sit us down and say, oh, my children, my beloved children, inshallah, the one who fast the greatest day, the one who fasts the greatest number of days in the month of Ramadan, at the end of Ramadan, I am going to reward the person. Subhanallah. So this geared us up then in order for us to ensure we fast. Upon that, subhanallah, there were amongst us, I'm not going to say what I fasted because I know some are ready to listen that, was I motivated then or not? I'm motivated. If I'm not going to be fasting today, brothers and sisters. Some of us then, we see those who fasted 5 days, some 10 days, some 15 days, some 20 days, some 25 days. Subhanallah. But at the end of the day, wa Rabbil Azim, our mother is going to fulfill a promise by presenting gifts to us. I remember that I have received a flask from her, and many other things. Then, brothers and sisters, same thing happens to you today. When you want your children to be motivated, to be serious with their education, create a reward system. Subhanallah. Build a reward system with your child. Reward points could be as simple as telling them, subhanallah, immediately you complete your assignment, or immediately you study this, immediately you read the chapter 1 and you explained everything to me very well, comprehensively. Oh, son, you are going to watch TV. Subhanallah. You know, you've banned them. You have limited their time to watching TVs. Then you try to strengthen the time for him or her for being serious with the study. By days, that reward, you know how my children go crazy. How much they go crazy about watching movies, subhanallah. How much they go crazy about watching programs on television, subhanallah. So you use this to challenge them and in order to get them motivated, subhanallah. Brothers and sisters, your reward system could also be as simple as permitting him or her to play in games, so to get more access to what? To game, so or to sports, or to play, subhanallah. But I tell you, fathers and mothers, you should not make them abuse this. Don't make them abuse it. As much as it is important and useful, if it is too much, that is the time you give to them, he studied for an hour and you say you are going to make him watch television for 3 hours. Subhanallah. You can see you've abused it. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide every one of us. Ameen.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا استعينوا بالصبر والصلاة